What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Lean With Me by Juice WRLD. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar and a bunch of other guitar related prizes, so stick around to the end of the video so you can figure out how to enter, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, this song is in standard tuning. There's two parts to this song. There's a little rhythm part and then there's a lead part. I will have both of the tabs for them in the description below, so if you want to check the tabs out, go check in the description. Also, if you need any help with any chord diagrams or any other beginner or intermediate style stuff, the free ebook is down in the description as well. So if you want to check those out, go look at them. The first chord is going to be 0, 4, 2, 1, 0, 0. I do 4th fret A string, pinky finger, middle finger, 2nd fret D string, index finger, 1st fret G string. Your next chord is an E major chord. That's 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0. Again, middle finger, 2nd fret A string, ring finger, 2nd fret D string, index finger, 1st fret G string. And all you're doing for that final chord is taking off your middle finger, so you got 0, 0, 2, 1, 0, 0. Now for the picking pattern for your first chord, you're going A, D, A, G, D, A. So again, that's A, D, A, G, D, A. It sounds like. Then your E chord is very similar to that same picking pattern. It's A, D, A, G, D, A, G. So it's the same thing, you're just adding, you're just picking your G note on the very last, the very end of it, as opposed to in the other picking pattern you weren't. So again, that's A, D, A, G, D, A, G. Looks like this. That final picking pattern is A, D, A, G, A, D, A, G, A, D, A, B, G, D, A, B. So one more time slowly. A, D, A, G, A, D, A, G, and then A, D, A, B, G, D, A, B. So slowly that final one looks like this. So all together slowly, it looks like this. Alright, now your lead part is using the notes 4th fret of your G string, 6th fret G string, 5th fret B string, 7th fret B string, 9th fret B string, 4th fret B string, 2nd fret B string. Now the way you're going to pick that is you're going to pick your 4th fret on your G string and you're going to hammer on to your 6th fret. So you only pick that note once, and then you press your ring finger real hard down on the 6th fret to make it give it that hammer-on sound. Then you're playing 5th fret B string, 7th fret B string, and then pluck the 7th fret again and slide it up to the 9th. So I'm going to do that whole first part slowly. It looks like. From there you're going 7th fret B string, 5th fret B string, 7th fret B string. Looks like this. Then you're going 5th fret B string, 4th fret B string, 2nd fret B string, and then you're just doing 4th fret, 2nd fret again. So all together slowly it looks like this. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.